How y'all doing today? Today I am going to do a mystery horror unboxing. Now this is from a website called Don't Eat the Gum. Yes, I know. I know. Unusual name for a website. Now, so I got the pick four box. So you pick four horror franchises that you like, and you get items from those franchises. And what they do is they write everything down that you get, and they take a picture so you never receive the same item twice. So say you request one of the franchises you request is Nightmare on Elm Street, which for me I will do. You will never get the same item twice in a future mystery box. This is my first one. I will leave a link to the website below if y'all want to check into that. The franchises that I chose this time are Nightmare on Elm Street, of course. Now you choose from their selection of available franchises. So I chose Universal Monsters as well, Elvira, and Nightmare Before Christmas. So this being my first mystery box from them, let's see what we have. It's always a chore getting some of these boxes open. Okay, so first item. Now, there appears to be a lot of items in here. First item appears to be a poster. Let's see what that is. It's well packaged. Okay. If I can get the poster out, that is. Sometimes this is a task in itself. Okay, so the poster is the man himself, Freddy Krueger. How's that for a poster, huh? Get a nice frame for that. Slip it back into the thing after. Let's see what else we got here. What is this? What is this? This appears to be something breakable. And that was right. It is a Nightmare Before Christmas Master of Fright drinking glass. That's pretty neat. Appears to be a figure. Yep, it is a Boris Karloff Frankenstein. You can definitely tell it's Boris Karloff mini bust. So that's pretty cool. This appears to be a framed picture. And it is. Patricia Arquette as Kristen and the Freddy Snake from, sorry about the color there, from Elm Street 3 Dream Warriors. That's pretty cool. This appears to be candy. There's some other mini goodies in here, so let's see what we got in this little treat bag here. I'm definitely pleased with this. I think I will order again. Well, I planned on ordering again anyway. But... Alright, so treat-wise, we have a Bela Lugosi card magnet. Actually, that may be actually bubblegum. I'm not sure. Yeah, it smells like bubblegum. Okay, so maybe that's bubblegum on the back of that. Bride of Frankenstein, one as well. Nightmare Before Christmas dog tag and stickers. Bela Lugosi Dracula air freshener. Wasn't even where they made those. Frankenstein stamp pen. Universal Horror. Ooh, some trading cards. We got some trading cards here. Dinosaurs Attack and Clue. I'm not really sure what this stuff is. Must be like a throw-in, but still pretty cool. It's always nice when you get a bonus. I wasn't expecting the candy. We have Sour Patch Kids here. Some Jolly Ranchers, some Double Bubble Gum, a couple of lollipops. And I think it's just about it. Elvira, Mistress of the Dark comic from probably 30 years ago, I would assume. And this comic's probably at least 30 years old, Elvira. So, all in all, pretty good. And last but not least, I have an envelope here. Appears to be a thank you card with something in it. Oh yeah. Stickers. So we have a Don't Eat the Gum sticker. It's what the website looks like. Shock Studios card. I think I've heard of that. Got some Freddy stickers in here. Lots of Freddy stickers, actually. Elm Street. Not around Elm Street. Pretty interesting Freddy stickers. Sorry about the glare of the light in the other room. But adjust that for you. There we go. That Freddy sticker. A couple more Freddy stickers here. Not a big fan of that one. That one's pretty neat. And Kneel High Horror. Let me read you the card that they got me. They got me a Hallmark thank you card. It's a nice little touch. Thank you for ordering a box from my small business. I really hope you dig all the items. Feel free to post a review and pics on the pages. The Freddy print is signed by artist Mike Skaggs of Shock Studios. The face cards are from artist Byron Winton. Enjoy the box. Kevin Kennedy. So, yeah, I gotta say I'm very pleased with this. This is my first mystery horror box from any website. I know there's quite a few websites nowadays that review them, but this is like the most one of the best reviewed ones, so this is the one I tried. But, you can do a pick 4 box, or you can do a pick 6 box, and they also do specials every month for certain franchises. So, anyways, I hope you all enjoyed this video, and I will have more like this in the future, because I definitely am pleased with this. So. Anyways, I will see you all next time. Just gotta put the bolster away.